Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and it's been a little bit since I have done a haul on my couch, but this is where I am today. I just got home from Hobby Lobby. I fed the dogs and they're all in there, so I just kind of wanted to make sure that they stayed not doing anything they shouldn't be doing, so I can show you what I got. And I want to show you what I got so I can start using it. So they had some good sales still, or again I should say, and I found this. It's for the fuse tool, and it's called Heat Wave, and it has different foil sheets so that you can write on your cards or something. I don't know exactly. I'm gonna give it a try though. It looks like it has red, green, or red, yellow, red, gold, blue, silver, and pink. So I thought it would be worth a shot to try it. They only had one, and it was $1.49, regularly $5.99. They only had one of these too, and it is $2.49, regularly $1.99, and it's decorative tips for the fuse. So I thought that would be kind of cute, and I have a fuse, so I thought, well, you know what? We'll try that. I also found these stamps for $2.49 each, and you guys know I love little girls, so I thought that these were really cute. And they have some neat sayings like, approach with an open heart, let him speak to you, be still. I need to know that one. Today's blessing, moments big and small, be here now, live in this moment, appreciate life, be here now. So I don't know, I thought that that was kind of cute. I can use that to put on the inside of some cards. They also had this scratch and sniff. It smells like coconut, and it's beach. I think it says sunshine. Hello sunshine, $1.49 for 2 rolls of washi, so I liked that. I also got this bone folder, and I thought it was kind of cool because it has the little bone folder. It has like a point, but then it also has this, and it's so you can put paper between it and actually use it as a like a curling wand. So I thought that was kind of neat, and it's normally $10 and it was $2.49. I also found this label punch, which is a little more fancy than the one that I have, and it's $4.24. And I found this 2 1/4 inch hole punch for $4.24. And these are the nice EK Success ones, which I love. I mean, I'll use any of them, but those are kind of my favorites. So I got all of those. I also found, well, here's the fuse tool that I found, so I thought that was nice. Comes with everything that I might need. And that was $7.49, regularly $30. And I found this punch board. It's a 3 punch boards in one. It does boxes, bows, and envelopes. Regularly $35, on sale for $8.74. So I thought that was kind of cute. I liked that. Sorry, my husband just came home. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I also got these craft tools that are, it's like a self-healing cutting mat. That's what I meant. And it is 12 by 12. Actually, it's 13 by 13, but it has 12 by 12 lines on it. And it was $2.99, regularly $1.99, regularly $11.99. It was $2.99, regularly $1.99. I spent more. So. And so my daughter has a wreath on her door. I know I've told you guys that she has an apartment, and I'm going to do some things to decorate her door. So I'm going to put some of this on the bottom, and I'll show you that in a second. All of their Christmas stuff was 40% off, so I went ahead and got these because I thought they were cute for the cats for Christmas. I know, I'm thinking early, but that's what I do. I also got some paper. The Paper Studio was 50% off. I got the heavy black cardstock because I like this. And I got the heavy, oh no, this isn't heavy. This is just the grays cardstocks. But I need to make some bats, and I thought that this, like this maybe darker gray would be cute for the bat itself, and then make him have black wings. I don't know, I might make him all black too, but I might try it both ways. So I also found this. I love these kind of cookbooks, and I went ahead and got this one. It's a Gooseberry Patch cookbook. I just think they're fun, and this is a Christmas Comforts one, so it was 40% off. Here's a toy for the puppies, but that's going to be in their Christmas stocking. It was 40% off of $7.99. Where's my weight? Oh, I have another bag behind me. I was going nuts. I used my 40% off coupon on this glue. I just needed some new glue, and this is like long, 10 inches. So I thought that would be fun. I needed some more glitter paper. This was was $5.99 or $5.50, I guess $9.99 with half off. But it has just all the colors of glitter, and I've used all my pink and green, or my red and green for Christmas projects. So I needed some more, so I just bought the whole pack. And I'm going to use this for some Christmas projects too, and it was $6.99 with half off. And it's just all different kinds of prints of Christmas. I think I'm going to use that for some Christmas tags. Okay, so one more bag. Oops. I should edit that out, but I won't. You guys fell. I'm sorry. Hope you didn't hurt your head. Okay, so let's see. I got, oh gosh, this is the good bag. Well, they were all good bags, but I got this wreath for Katie. It looks kind of sad right now, but I'm sure that we can straighten it up. It was $3.99 with 40%, and then 40% off. And for that wreath, I got these elves to decorate it. I also got these bows, and these would be cute for cards too. There are 48 bows, and it was $1.99 with 40% off of that. So, and what else did I get for that? These were $2.99 with 40% off. I thought those would be cute on the wreath. And it seems like I got one more thing. I know I got some gumdrops or something. Yes, I got some gumdrops. These were $2.99. And little gumdrops. I thought that was fun. So then I also got these for Katie because I love them. I have 2 packs myself, and I thought I'd put this in a care package for Katie. I got some red velvet ribbon. That was $2.99. I got some twine. I'm going to use this for some Christmas tags. This was $4.99 for both the rolls. These were $1.99 for cute little gingerbread men. These are cute. They are little clips, and they were $3.99. So I thought that was fun. And I'm going to do a project. I needed these, so I got 2 packs of these, and they were both $2.99. And again, all of this was 40% off. I got these for $2.99, cute little reindeer, and these little cute reindeer, again $2.99, 40% off, $2.99. This is for a project, and some of these are just to have. This was for a project. These are so cute, and you'll see most of the projects, if not all of the projects, eventually on my channel. I got these bells for Christmas tags. I thought they were really cute. Oh, there's only 12 pieces. Oh, that's all right. I'll make it work. And then I got another snow marker. I love these things, and it was $3.99 plus 50% off. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul for today. But I think I did pretty well. I spent $136, but I got tons of stuff, and I am slowly but surely getting done even Christmas shopping. I got some stuff for the dogs today and the cats today, so that's pretty neat. And I ordered some lipsticks online this morning for Katie, so I'm feeling pretty good about things. So I'm getting there, and I guess that's that. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.